taking your JK through rivers, dusty fire roads, or muddy trails with the stock air intake sitting low under the hood is a risk you do not want to take. A snorkel moves that intake up high where the air stays clean, cool, and dry, protecting your engine on every adventure. All the links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the SCITOO Air Intake Snorkel Kit. A budget-friendly option for the JK that fits 3.8-liter engines. Built from linear low-density polyethylene, water-sealed at every connection point, and raises the intake height for safer water crossings. Helps the engine pull in cooler, denser air for better throttle response. No installation manual included, so you will want to look up a video before you start. But the price makes it an accessible entry point for JK owners. Moving on to number 4. Say hello to the ARB Safari Snorkel. Safari literally invented the vehicle-specific snorkel concept back in the 80s, and this one is engineered and built in Australia with UV-stable polyethylene, stainless steel hardware, and rubber ducting rated to 266 degrees Fahrenheit continuous operation. The air ram head is CAD designed to simultaneously pull out water from the airstream and maximize airflow. Vehicle-specific fit, maximum dust and water sealing, nothing generic about it. A legendary choice for serious off-roaders. Sliding into number 3, check out the AEV-JK Snorkel. Cross-linked polyethylene construction, built for serious trail durability, with the widest engine compatibility ranges on this list. Works on both right and left-hand drive models. Installs with minor hood modifications, or fits perfectly with the AEV heat reduction hood with zero cutting. Clean, purposeful design that looks at home on any well-built JK. Dropping into number 2, meet the Rugged Ridge AmFib Snorkel. Designed to blend seamlessly with the JK's factory cowl panel, so it looks like it belongs there rather than being bolted on as an afterthought. Modular design lets you swap between low mount and high mount in minutes. Perfect for switching between dusty trail use and deep water crossings. Installs with only minor cutting to a hidden part of the fender. No major body surgery required. Clean styling, smart engineering, and a patented design that actually stands out on the trail. And coming in at number 1, the Rugged Ridge XHD Modular Snorkel System, earning that top spot all day. The first snorkel ever designed with true modular functionality. Pre-filter low mount for dusty trails and an optional ram high mount that extends the intake an additional 21 inches to the top of the windshield for serious water crossings. Built-in manual drain valves clear excess water automatically. Compatible with dual battery trays, windshield light bars, and allows the windshield to fold and doors to be removed. Premium thermoform plastic, mandrel bent aluminum, and high-temp silicone hoses throughout. Installation requires some drilling and cutting, budget 4 or more hours, but the end result is the most capable and versatile snorkel setup available for the JK. And that is your top 5 snorkels for the Jeep JK. Every link is right there in the video description. Go find the one that matches your build and your adventures. If this video helped, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More Jeep content is on the way. Catch you in the next one.